What are the penalties for late property tax payments without escrow? Have you ever wondered what happens if you miss a property tax payment and do not have an escrow account? Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. When property taxes are not paid on time and there is no escrow account, the property owner is responsible for making the payment directly. If you miss the deadline, penalties kick in right away. The most common penalty is an automatic 10% penalty on the unpaid tax amount. This penalty is imposed immediately after the payment deadline passes. But that's not all. Interest charges may also start to accrue on the unpaid balance, which means the longer you wait to pay, the more you owe. If the property tax remains unpaid for a longer period, the local government can initiate a tax sale process. This means your property could be sold to recover the unpaid taxes. This is a serious risk for property owners who do not pay their taxes on time. The time frame before a tax sale can vary by location but often spans several years. During this time, penalties and interest will continue to accumulate, making the total amount owed even higher. In some areas, there may be options for penalty abatement if you can show reasonable cause for the late payment. This could include accidental errors or issues with the payment process. However, courts usually uphold penalties unless you can provide strong evidence for your case. For property owners facing substantial penalties, it may be wise to consult legal counsel who is familiar with local property tax laws. They can help you explore options for reducing or eliminating penalties. Now let's talk about the impact of not having an escrow account. Without escrow, the responsibility for timely tax payments falls entirely on you. This increases the risk of missing deadlines. Escrow accounts, usually managed by mortgage servicers, collect a portion of your property taxes each month along with your mortgage payment. They then pay the taxes on your behalf, helping you avoid late payment penalties. For real estate investors, not using escrow means you need to be extra diligent in tracking tax deadlines and ensuring you have the funds available. Missing a payment can lead to costly penalties and even the potential loss of your property. To sum it up, late property tax payments without escrow lead to an immediate 10% penalty, accruing interest, and the risk of a tax sale if unpaid over time. It is essential to prioritize timely payments or consider using an escrow account to avoid these risks. If you do face penalties, seeking legal advice may help you find ways to lessen the financial impact.